From birdwatching to enjoying a bird's eye view.
Hi, I'm Kim, one of the faces behind Team Visit Wagga Wagga. Come with me today as we explore this outdoor wonderland just minutes from the city's CBD.
But before we go, this adventure calls for this guy, Alfie. First things first, leads on. Today we're here at Marrambidya Wetland, a beautiful location that combines nature and culture. It's a perfect location to start or finish your day, and an even better spot for pups to sniff around on lead. Sitting side by side with the Marrambidya River, this wetland is a sanctuary for native flora and fauna to thrive. No matter what time of the day or season, there's something to see and uncover. You can even stand as tall as the surrounding river red gums on this lookout. Try your luck spotting long-necked turtles and native fish, or go incognito and observe some unique birds that call this wetland home. The wetland is connected to Wagga Wagga's Wiradjuri Trail, meaning you can easily explore the surrounding areas, including crossing over footbridges or weaving alongside the river as you go. This place is where nature, culture and people thrive, so be sure to respect this space. To discover more great attractions when you pay our Wagga Wagga and Surrounds region a visit, hit the link in our bio or head to visitwagga.com.